Hi guys, look who's back. To the ones who don't know me, my name is Mavish, and to the ones who do, welcome back to my channel. भाई इतने दिन बाद I am making a video for YouTube and it feels nice, like nice. Anyways, I'm back in the game now, so मैं भागना मत. इसके बाद भी you're gonna get videos, I promise. Okay, वैसे तो ये लाल चटक कपड़ा देख के समझ में आ गया होगा कि this is something I made solely for Valentine's क्योंकि I am my own Valentine. मैं अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ and I pamper myself and I like to gift myself. So basically everything a man does, I do it for myself and I'm not even complaining. Alright, so I'm very sure that most of you out there already know what Deodap is, what today's video is about. But let me tell you how I got introduced to it. I used to get like so many ads for this particular brand that I was forced by Instagram to go and check what this is all about. And let me tell you, I was shocked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm thoroughly excited because this brand has got me intrigued. Okay? They have products starting from straight rupees 9. I mean, it's 2026. 9 रुपए में कैडबरी तक नहीं आती है. Okay, so let's see कि मेरे पैसे waste हो गए. Yeah, finally I made one good decision in my life. So Deodap has these certain categories like beauty, skincare, home decor, kitchen, miscellaneous, like a lot of stuff. तो मैंने सब में से थोड़ा थोड़ा उठा लिया है ताकि अच्छे से बकायदा से इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे हम लोग. So I'm gonna start with the pendant that I got and I think it was below 50. I'm gonna attach the picture along with the price. It was definitely below 50 rupees. So let's see. Okay, तो ये ऐसे छोटी सी पन्नी में है, but we'll see. तुम ना मेरे को छोटे से छोटे पार्सल खुलवा दो. मतलब मेरी शक्ल में ना वही लेवल की खुशी दिखेगी तुमको. मतलब मैं पार्सल पगलू. पार्सल पगलू. पहले मैं देखूंगी फिर तुम लोग देखना. ओके यार क्यूट. Okay, so it has this gold chain and this is the pendant. It's quite cute, vibrant. इसे तुम कोई इंडियन वेयर के साथ ना अच्छे से पेयर अप कर सकते हो. This is gonna look so pretty. Cutie patootie. Okay, so one thing that I want to point out that with certain brands I see when I do end up ordering multiple stuff, वो multiple shipments में आता है since they're coming from different sellers. Now valid उनके तरफ से, but it is way more convenient in Deodap. Why? Because they all came at once. One huge box and all of these stuff were in there. So it's you dig in. And this is what I did like and I would rather choose this than having my parcels come in multiple shipments just to save me some hassle. So, yeah. अच्छा तो इसका पीछे एक स्टोरी है. आई मतलब आजकल वो बहुत ट्रेंड में है ना बैक चार्म्स एंड स्टफ जहाँ पे सबका मिनिएचर फॉर्म्स लोग बैक चार्म बना के घूम रहे हैं. सो आई फाउंड दिस. ओह माय गॉड अडोरेबल. आई डोंट नो मतलब आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट आई विल डू विद दिस बट इसको देख के मैं खुश हो रही हूँ. I mean, are you kidding me? And this even opens, I think. Yes, see? Steel deal. Acha, so this is also very cute. I ordered this LED night light, जो कि मतलब I don't know about you people again. It's about me. I like एक छोटू सा aesthetic सा light कोने में when you're about to sleep, and this is cute. Wait, let me show you. We've got a pocket mirror here. Let's see. Okay, I like it. It's this beige mirror. I like it. And then you open it. Oh, and then there's the mirror inside. Wait, Uma, help. See? So it's the mirror that you've got. And this is me. Say hi. Anyways, cute. Okay, so again, very random but very cute. So I got these straws, and they are so many in these cute purple wala shade, quite aesthetic. I feel like when mehman ho to I can like just it's like these plastic and these are like pretty good quality straws. Like even if you have a kid using them, I don't think they would be able to like chew it. But अगर तुम मुझे भी दो तो मैं भी इसे नहीं चबा पाऊंगी क्योंकि मेरा भी वो आदत है. But I like it. Um, Let me drink some water with my new straw in my plastic bottle. Okay, moving on. Now, this is something that I feel is very important for every content creator out there. जिसके भी खून में मेरे ऐसा content creation बसा है, तुम ये ले लो. This is the selfie stick, and this was also like I think below 50 rupees. जिसमें you are getting the tripod, you are getting वो ऊपर में light, and also you are getting वो button Bluetooth वाली. Let me show you. This is the tripod. I mean, this is good quality. This is good quality. And this is the chotu sa light what I'm and this is the Bluetooth button. So you can use it to click your hands-free pictures or videos. So this is the tripod. This is there. Okay. I feel like a samurai, but this is what it is. I like it. I mean, you can simply have it like this when you're vlogging. You can open the tripod, have your hands free done. I like it. Now, since I've moved to Gurgaon and since I've started living alone, I am crazy for kitchen stuff. For kitchen stuff, yes. So I got this cute, very aesthetic pastel coded cutting board along with the knife, and I think this is the peeler. See, कितना aesthetic लग रहा है भाई. Very aesthetic. I like it. Okay, now very random but very cute and very mystical. I got these seashells. It takes you to the ocean. I like it. I mean, you can definitely get it. If you like beaches, you can get it as like a showpiece. Have it near your bedside table, anywhere, and it's just pretty to look at. They're literally all shapes and sizes, all colors possible, and it's so pretty. The patterns, it's beautiful. Okay, so last but not the least, we've got this cute golden wallet. Now, I don't remember ordering this, so I guess this is a gift, but this is cute. It gives golden chic. Okay, no, sorry, my bad. I do remember ordering this. I thought it was a wallet, but it's not. So we've got this one, so you can use it like your blush and stuff. And then we've got these three eyeshadow brushes. So these three angular ones. I mean, you can easily create some amazing eye looks for this. I can tell you that. Okay, so adding more to my love for miniature products, I came across this very, very cute miniature duck or swans, and it was pink, so I had to get it, and it was quite cheap. So again, I had to get it. But let me show you. It's adorable. And this is the queen. Why, so pretty. Okay, so the total amount that I paid for all of these things at once was rupees 600, and I am quite surprised. I was not expecting the quality to be so good, but good job, dear. Okay, so take this video as a sign to go and gift yourself something this Valentine because self love important होता है. ठीक है? And stay tuned with me. I am gonna come ahead with more such videos. Okay, you know the drill. Subscribe if you want, if you like the video. If not, stay tuned. Maybe बाद में मन बदल जाएगा. And also like the video if you liked it and comment. Okay, bye. See ya. Every night, I we